We got a house where the previous owners had indoor pets. We wanted to get the carpets clean enough to live with for now, as we plan to replace the flooring soon. So this vacuum got put to the test. And at first we thought it wasn't going to be able to handle it. But then we realized we had some user error going on, which I will talk about more in a bit. Setup is straightforward, and I really appreciate how simple the controls are. No complicated settings or unnecessary extras, just fill, clean, empty, repeat. That's one of the things I like most about this model. It's not intimidating to use. The machine itself is super lightweight, even when the tank is full. I had no problem carrying it and moving it between rooms, which is a big deal if you're cleaning a bunch of rooms in one go. Using it is easy. You press the spray trigger while pushing forward to release the cleaning solution. Then release the trigger and pull back to suck up the dirty water. Remember to overlap your strokes for the best results. It pulls a surprising amount of grime from the carpet, even in the rooms I thought were clean. But here's the thing, if you have pets, vacuum the room with the dry vacuum first. This cleaner does pick up pet hair, but not all of it. You'll definitely find clumps stuck to the wheels or left behind in little wet piles. Especially if you have dogs or cats that shed a lot. It's not a deal breaker, but definitely something to keep in mind. Now for the user error which I mentioned earlier. There is a full tank marker on the dirty water tank, and it's not there for looks. You might be tempted to keep using the machine because it looks like there is way more room in the dirty tank, and you only have a little bit of the room left, and you're just a little too lazy to go empty the gross water out. But the machine will stop sucking up water after that line, and you will be staring at a room you just finished vacuuming and wondering why the last third of the room looks soaking wet and gross. The cleaning solution is easy to find. You can grab the Bissell brand at Walmart or on Amazon, and it lasts a decent amount. The sample bottle that comes with the machine is enough for about one room, maybe two if they're smaller. After using it, the carpet looked and smelled noticeably fresher. It's not going to work miracles on old deep-set stains, but for everyday dirt, pet accidents, and random mystery spots, it does a solid job. It definitely makes the rooms feel cleaner without that heavy, soggy, wet carpet feel that some machines leave behind. That said, it didn't get every stain. Some carpets are just too far gone. This little cleaner is a workhorse. It's not perfect. Pet hair can be stubborn, and you will need a few refills if you're cleaning large rooms. But for the price, ease of use, and how lightweight it is, I definitely recommend it.